Yo, what's going on? It's Tox here with Tox's Pop, and on this one, I was actually thinking about the pops that I had, and there was quite a few that I haven't opened since I've had them, and I'm talking months ago that I should have opened. I just never really got around to it. No going out hunting, finding new ones. Don't really get time to really take it in. I do in the stores when I find them, but actually take it out and examine them, really see what's going on. I'm here to show it. But all of us starting with Jacoby. Super. Here's the box right here. Nick Jacoby from Bright. If you haven't seen it, I recommend it. A lot of people thought it was trash, but I thought it was a pretty cool movie. It was pretty dope to me. But the detail on him, though, I'll side view it. In the badge, they got the letters in his badge. His shotgun here. I like this detail on the back of his head, though. Peep that. Wicked eyes. He has some wicked eyes, too. Jacoby was cool. I dig him. Got us talking in the back here. Crisp vest. Yeah. Set him to the side here. But he's awesome. And these are random. Just the random one I was looking through. I recently just got him, but I haven't opened him. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to open him too. I've already opened my Goblin. I had to open the Goblin. Let's see if we get him here. Yes, here we go. Like I said on the other one, this box was beat. It was beat. But he is wicked. Just beat up box. But Oogie Boogie. He's definitely one of my favorites. Out of my collection, Oogie Boogie definitely. Little Boogie. Just nice. The detail in him though. Back view of him. There's all the bugs going, the maggots. Now this is dope. I'm glad I've opened him. I'm glad I get to open him. Should have opened him when I got him. Now he is one I should have opened when I got him. Safely in here. Put him safely away. Put him safely away. Should I do probably next? Who should I do next? I'll go with my Venomized Iron Man. I'll go with Venomized Iron Man. Because he is wicked. He is wicked. Now he is a bobble. I know he's a bobble. Oh no, this one is dope. This one is dope, yo. Check this one, people. Check this, my peep. Look at that. The blast off though. Floating. With that Venom feel. Now Venom is one of my he has to be in my top 10 of villains. Me with the villains though. Now Joker's my one. all day. Joker all day. And you know with Freeze, you know he have to be in there. Bane have to be in there. Doomsday would have to be in there. You know, Thanos definitely. Thanos would have to be in there. But we got the Venomized Iron Man. That's a tough bobble. Now this is a tough bobble. This little back view here of him. Tough one. Tough one. Let's set him to the side as well. We'll go to now do Prowler. I think I do Prowler. Is this one gonna wanna go for me? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Awesome. I like to be gentle with them. With the Christopher box. A lot of the ones though, like Prowler. My lady found him, so I haven't got to see him in stores. But I bet if I would have found him, it seems like all the ones that I do find though, like personally if I see him like eye to eye with them, it's damaged. That's my luck. But she'll go out and find some that are smooth. But we got a Prowler here. Now he is wicked. Now he is wicked. There we go. Box here. Chris, another detailing on him though. Now this get up's dope. I like this. I'm really feeling this one. I want to know what his role is. What is he about? What are you doing? Man, he is really cold. He's a really cold one. Get a back view of him. Man, he's tough. He is. Very nice. Still haven't seen Miles yet. Miles Morales. Still haven't seen him yet. In his uniform. I've seen him in this old, like you wearing some shorts and got a towel on and everything. I've seen that one, which is pretty wicked. But I want him in that suit. That suit's cool. It looks like a towel. I believe it's a towel. I actually have him as a mini. I actually have him. Grab that. This is a mini Miles Morales. This little mini. But I'm talking about this in the pop though. Of course. But I actually have him in his suit too. Not his mask, but I have him in his suit too as a mini. Which is a wicked one. Back view of him. Thought I'd show those too. Set those to the side here. Up next we got Carnage. Carnage definitely top 10. Definitely top 10. No, for sure, no, I haven't opened him. Oh, what? They need to stop it. I'm gonna load up on my little holders over here. I know who's who. We have Carnage here. Is he gonna stand? Let's see if he wants to stand. Alright, right on, right on. But I'll show him to you. Now this is wicked. Just crucial detailing on him. They definitely went all out. They definitely went all out on him. Back view of him. Now how sweet is that? Now how sweet is that? It'd be cool to get the full body Carnage, but this is what's up. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with all my pops, but this one though. Oh, and I forgot to tell this about the Nick Jacoby one. He was $5 at Hot Topic. Had a $5 sticker on him, and I took the $5 sticker off of him because he's worth more than $5. He is. He's worth more than $5. That's why I bought him. Cause I dig Nick. Nick's hard. Jacoby's a cool dude. Carnage is too though. Be on your toes. There we go. Try to get him in there though. There we go. Proxima Midnight. There we go. Proxima Midnight. I'm glad I got my Corvus. I don't think I'm gonna stop talking about that. I don't think I can. Corvus Glaive. Corvus Glaive is a beast. For real. It should have showed more of them. It really did. Should have shown more of them. Proxima Midnight though. Oh, she's a nice bubble too. Here we go. Here we go, Miss Lady. Here we go, Miss Lady. Just sweet. Just sweet. There we go. Proxima Midnight. Savagery right here. They did real good on her. They did real good. Little side view here. What's it look like she doing the old face? Look like she's doing the old face, don't it? I know it's her chin, but it looks like it's doing the old face. That's neat though. Proxima Midnight. That's what's up. And last but not least, here's the older one, but it's Black Mana, the older Black Mana. I have the Target exclusive Black Mana. I don't have the Walmart one. Because all those boxes, all of them got a bionic elbow. I don't know who's doing it. Somebody's just going in there and just beating them up. All these pops, and they don't deserve it. They don't deserve it. There we go. And he was in a $5 bin at Mega Replay. At a Mega Replay. It's pretty tight. It's quite dope. It's pretty tight. Can't stun on this one. No lie. And this back here, that. Wicked. Just wicked on him. I really dig him. I really do. Not a bad pop. But is there a bad pop? So I thought I'd show you guys and gals. There's a couple that I haven't opened yet. And I thought I'd open with you. Thought I'd open up with y'all. Pops and peace. Tox, much love. Thanks.